The color-based COVID-19 risk classification of countries with regards to COVID-19 has been temporarily suspended by the Pandemic Task Force. Effective February 1, 2022, a new set of arrival protocols for all inbound passengers, both Filipino and foreign travelers, will be imposed regardless of their country of origin. Fully vaccinated, unvaccinated international arriving passengers, partially vaccinated, or individuals whose vaccination status cannot be independently validated shall be required to present a negative RT-PCR test taken within 48 hours prior to departure from the country of origin. Fully vaxxed travelers will no longer be required to observe mandatory facility-based quarantine but shall self-monitor for any sign or symptom for 7 days, with the first day being the date of arrival. They are required to report to the local government unit of destination upon the manifestation of symptoms, if any. They shall also present recognized proofs of vaccination against COVID-19, such as World Health Organization International Certificates of Vaccination and Prophylaxis, VaxCert-PH or National or State Digital Certificate of the foreign government, which has accepted VaxCert-PH under a reciprocal arrangement unless otherwise permitted by the IATF. For the unvaccinated, they are required to undergo facility-based quarantine until the release of their negative RT-PCR test taken on the 5th day. Then they shall undergo home quarantine until their 14th day. The LGU of Destination and Barangay Health Emergency Response Teams are to monitor those arriving passengers undergoing home quarantine. Children below 12 years of age who cannot be vaccinated shall follow the quarantine protocols of the parents or the accompanying adult or guardian traveling with them. IATF says, based on the monitoring of the Philippine Genome Center, community transmission of the Omicron COVID-19 variant is not from abroad, and COVID-19 cases from returning overseas Filipinos are lower than the transmissions recorded in the community.
Nakita rin po base sa pag-aaral ng ating Epidemiology Bureau ng DOH, mababa po ang kaso ng ating mga returning overseas Filipino, mababa ang incidence na nagpo-positibo sila kumpara sa komunidad. Ang sinasabi ng ating mga eksperto, it doesn't make sense anymore because yun pong transmission dito sa ating bansa ay napakataas na. Baka mas mataas pa dun sa mga pinagbabawalan natin ng mga travelers coming from other countries.
Malacanang says the easing of arrival protocols is just temporary.
Pag-suspend natin ng country classifications, red, yellow, and green, is temporarily suspended unless we need to bring it back due to an emerging variant of concern. That has to be made very clear. No, this is something that we will continue to monitor, but as of today and as of the moment, we are seeing that it's widely Omicron, and we are only accepting fully vaccinated, and we hope that we could ramp up even more of our kababayan, vaccination for more of our kababayans.
Meanwhile, starting February 10, fully vaccinated travelers from non-visa required countries can enter the country. They should be holders of passports valid for at least 6 months at the time of arrival, with return or outbound ticket to their country of origin or next country of destination. They must also present recognized proofs of vaccination. Children below 18 years of age are exempted from the requirement of full vaccination and providing of proof of vaccination status prior to boarding. According to the amended list of non-visa required countries by the Department of Foreign Affairs, there are more than 150 countries considered visa-free for a period of stay not exceeding 30 days, including United States of America, South Korea, Japan, Australia, Canada, Malaysia, and Singapore. DOH assures the public there is nothing to worry about the easing of entry protocols for international passengers.
Pero hindi po natin kailangan mangamba. Dahil pag tinignan natin yung 4-door policy natin, ang pinakauna po dun sa 4-door policy is border control. Yung border control po, natapos na tayo dun kasi ginagawa natin yun to prevent the entry of Omicron variant. But now that there is already community transmission, we should move towards doors 2, 3, and 4 kung saan papalakasin po natin ang ating efforts at intervention sa komunidad na po.
On the other hand, fully vaccinated nationals shall not be included in the arrival quota set by the Department of Transportation and its one-stop shop. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.